A versatile and nutritious legume, offers a range of health benefits that make it a popular choice among health-conscious individuals. First and foremost, carob is naturally caffeine-free, making it an excellent alternative to chocolate for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake. Additionally, it is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Carob is also a great source of antioxidants, including polyphenols, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and support overall well-being. Lastly, carob is known to be low in fat and calories, making it a weight-friendly snack option while still satisfying those sweet cravings. Whether enjoyed in powder form as a cocoa substitute or as a wholesome addition to various recipes, carob offers a delicious and healthful alternative to traditional indulgences. Ingredients: carob,